In the pandemic aftermath, people are investing more in their personal health, focusing on items and activities that boost their overall wellness. People turn to saunas.
What we found during the pandemic is people were investing in two areas. They were investing in their health and they were investing in their homes. And the inability to be able to go to the gym, and by extension of that, being able to experience the sauna was something that they missed. And ultimately being able to provide them that sauna experience at home was a great benefit for them from a health experience perspective, and certainly from a routine overall and becoming part of what they do every day.
The scientific benefits of saunas can be traced back to 2,000 years BC. Celebrities such as Gwyneth Paltrow, the Kardashians, Joe Rogan, Rhonda Patrick have documented their sauna experiences to their massive audiences. And most major league sports leagues, Major League Baseball, NFL, NHL, UFC, have all incorporated saunas in their training regimens. And anyone can enjoy the benefits of a sauna in their home.
With social media shining a light on saunas, more and more people recognize the health and wellness benefits that saunas have to offer. However, saunas are a distinct part of many cultures around the world and are known for their proven long-lasting health benefits.
There's really two different types of saunas. There's their traditional sauna, which can run up to temperatures as high as 194 degrees, and there's the infrared sauna, which is really about warming the body. Both saunas provide health benefits, but really do it in two very different ways.
Some of the health benefits of sauna include stress relief, burning extra calories with exercise, and then the social and recreational benefits. And the long-term benefits are the reduction of Alzheimer's, stroke, heart disease, and blood pressure, increased immune response, appetite suppression, and it may increase longevity.
Saunas are becoming an essential home addition among people who want to maintain a healthy lifestyle. In North America, those who seek to invest in their health and homes turn to SaunaFin. For over 60 years, Canadian-based SaunaFin has helped people improve their lives through tailored sauna installation and consultation.
Well, the mega trends of investing in one's health and home are trends that aren't going away. In fact, we see them accelerating. And here at SaunaFin, our ability to be able to provide solutions for our clients, as we say, your sauna, your way. We can provide different options in heaters, types of wood, whether it's an infrared versus traditional, to really provide them with the solution that they need for their home.
One of our clients reported back to us he had a life-changing incident happen, which put him on antidepressants and other medicines. He was unable to sleep, he was unable to relax, but with the use of his SaunaFin sauna, he was able to get a full night's sleep, was able to wean off his medication. This made us feel that we were selling more than just a product, we were also helping people. So we have a large variety of products, indoor saunas, outdoor saunas. Our website is a repository of 60 years of information. You have the ability to have quotes online, over the phone, or via email. Or come into our showroom where we can build your sauna your way.
SaunaFin is committed to customer service and experience, delivering products and kits that enable their clients to equip their homes with the saunas they deserve. SaunaFin works diligently with clients to ensure their sauna provides the best in health and relaxation.
So here at SaunaFin, we offer a broad assortment of products across both traditional saunas that can be custom built and tailored to your indoor-outdoor space. We offer prefabricated saunas as well as steam showers. So whatever your needs, we have a solution. We recognize that this is an important investment that our clients are making in their home. We've got a great team here at SaunaFin to support everybody through the installation process, whether it's by phone or email. And in addition to that, we've got a great website of information that can help with installation as well as electrical requirements to ensure a safe and effective build. We'll continue to innovate by listening to our clients, and our clients trust us. In fact, we had the opportunity to provide the New York Mets with a sauna in advance of opening day. And they really came to us as the experts at SaunaFin to provide them the depth of knowledge and experience that they were seeking. And we're able to provide the choices and the features that clients need, and ultimately here at SaunaFin, build your sauna your way.
To build your sauna your way, visit www.saunafin.com.